So the next question which we have is a very nice combination of a circle and a parabola, because it involves a very important property of parabola, which is we need to prove that the circle on any focal chord of y square is equal to 4ax as the diameter touches the directrix of the parabola. Now first of all, make the figure. Let's say this is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is any focal chord. Mind you, a focal chord is a chord of the parabola which passes through the focus of the parabola. Let's say this is a point P, this is a point Q, this is at1 square comma 2at1, which is any general point lying on the parabola. This is at2 square comma 2at2. Here t1 and t2 are the two parameters, and this is the point a comma 0, which is the focus of the parabola. So let us write the equation of this PQ using the 2-point formula P and Q. Y minus 2at1 is equal to 2a times t2 minus t1 upon a times t2 square minus t1 square. This is the slope, which is t2 minus t1 into t2 plus t1 into x minus a t1 square. This t2 minus t1 gets cancelled, a and a gets cancelled. Now we have to prove that the circle on any focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4x as diameter touches the directrix. And we know that, and since this chord is a focal chord, hence the point a comma 0, which is the focus, will satisfy this equation. Hence putting a comma 0 in this equation, we get minus 2a t1 is equal to 2 times t1 plus t2 into a minus a t1 square. This a gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, we get minus t1 square minus t1 t2 is equal to 1 minus t1 square. Hence t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation which we get. Now we need to prove that the circle on this focal chord has diameter will touch the directrix, and we know that if there is a point x1 comma y1 and there is another point x2 comma y2, and a circle is drawn having x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as the extreme ends of the diameter, then the equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Hence these are the two extreme endpoints of the diameter. Hence the equation of circle is x minus at1 square into x minus at2 square plus y minus 2at1 into y minus 2at2 is equal to 0. Also we know that t2 is equal to minus 1 upon t1 from this equation. Hence putting t2 is equal to minus 1 upon t1, we get x minus a t1 square into x minus a upon t1 square plus y minus 2a t1 into y plus 2a by t1 equals 0. Now we need to prove that directrix touches this circle, or directrix is a tangent to this circle, and we know that for y square is equal to 4ax parabola, the directrix is x equals minus a. Hence putting x equals minus a in this circle's equation, we get minus a t1 square minus a upon t1 square plus y minus 2a t1 into y plus 2a by t1 equals 0. On further solving, this quadratic becomes y square minus 2ay into t1 minus 1 upon t1 plus a square times t1 minus 1 upon t1 whole square is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in y, and if we need to prove that the directrix x equals minus a is a tangent to this circle, then we need to show that the discriminant of this quadratic is equal to 0. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 4a square into t1 minus 1 upon t1 whole square minus 4ac, that is minus 4a square into t1 minus 1 upon t1 whole square, and this is definitely equal to 0. Since the discriminant of this quadratic is equal to 0, therefore we can show or we can see that this quadratic equation is having equal roots, and hence the directrix x equals minus a is cutting the circle at only one point, which is the directrix is touching the circle, and hence we have proved that the circle on any focal chord as the diameter touches the directrix.